This is the Blitz Crypto Class brought to you by me, Loredana, and the Marks Factory. The Marks Factory gets you from Noob to dApp dev in less than 5 minutes if you are working on already deployed contracts. Marks are Markdown apps for the next web, optimized for storage so you can even deploy them on-chain. They are easy to read and write for anybody. And if you want, you can create reactive interfaces with dependent components. And even more, the Marks Factory is an integral part of Arc, paving the way for new methods of interaction between people. And all of this in Markdown. This is a mark. It can load the address and balance for an ENS handle. So let's try Nick's handle, the ENS creator. The address and the balance. Now let's try Vitalik. Note that we see the Ethereum data after we click this button, so the button and text components are dependent. Now let's look at the Markdown text. And this is the entire code. You can use regular GitHub flavored Markdown with some additional syntax, which gives you access to buttons, inputs, containers, and more. So now you can have images, and you can control the width and height and other attributes. You can have inputs with placeholders. And buttons that can tell us that an input with a certain label has been set when we click on them. This ENS name input value is then used in these text components as arguments to the ETH provider resolve name command and ETH provider get balance command. These ETH methods follow the Ethers.js API, and in a similar way, ETH provider get network gives us the network that we are on, and we can customize the answer by adding text and accessing only certain fields like the chain ID from the answer. So if we remove this text, we get the entire network object with the chain ID field. Now we can export this mark to IPFS. And we get a QR code that we can share with others. And if we click on the QR code, the URL will be copied to clipboard. Now we can use this URL to load the mark from IPFS in a new browser tab. So what is special about these marks? The entire Marks Factory editor is built with Tailor, and in the next versions, it will expose even more Tailor functions directly in the Markdown syntax. Marks use IPFS for deployment and are easily shareable by URL and QR code. Now you can be part of the Web3 revolution and share your mark with the world.